Six boy.
If I were the defense, I'd have a few more guys over there.
3 wide outs at the top of the picture. Stewart with time. Lets it go. He's got 3 people down there. The ball's up in the air. Caught. Touchdown. Caught by Westbrook for a touchdown. Incredible. Exultation for the Buffaloes of Colorado.
This is why they try it, because it works. You're always looking for the rebound. 81 Westbrook is right there. That's the way you hope it works. He threw that ball about 65 yards. There was no pressure on him. What an outstanding throw.
They call it in some circles the Hail Mary. It was certainly prayerful. And Michael Westbrook was in the right place at the right time. Colorado has says, we don't care. Number 4. Next for Colorado, Texas and Austin. We'll show it to some of you next week. Michigan goes to Iowa to open conference play. And one more look. It'll be hard to find a play that will be remembered more than this one in the 1994 college football season.
Big players make the plays.
Yep.